Panoramic.
Yes.
Right? Panoramic. I see some sea
Sea otters, maybe?
Oh, yeah. Yeah. Hey, Fitz, how's it going? Hey, I'll jump.
Everybody I talk to is ready to leave with the light of the morning. They've seen the end coming down long enough to believe they've heard their last warning. Standing alone, each has his own ticket in his hand. And as the evening descends, I sit thinking about every man. Seems like I've always been looking for some other place to get it together, where with a few of my friends I could give up the race, maybe find something better. But all my fine dreams, well, I thought out schemes to gain the motherland, have all eventually come down to waiting for every man. Waiting here for every man. Make it on your own if you think you can. If you see somewhere to go, I understand.